Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lucy who loved to explore the world around her. Every day, she would go off on an adventure, discovering new things and making new friends. One summer day, Lucy decided to explore the nearby forest. She had never been there before, but she was curious and excited. She walked through the trees and the brush, and soon she found a little clearing with a small pond. Lucy decided to take a closer look at the pond, and it wasn't long before she spotted something strange. At the bottom of the pond, there were bright, shimmering stones. Lucy couldn't believe her eyes. She had never seen anything like it before. Cautiously, Lucy reached into the pond and picked up a stone. As soon as she touched it, the stone began to glow. She looked at it in awe and quickly put it in her pocket. The next day, Lucy went back to the pond to see if she could find more of the glowing stones. Sure enough, there were plenty of them at the bottom of the pond. Lucy couldn't believe her luck. She filled her pockets with the stones and went home. When Lucy got home, she put the stones in a special box. Every night before going to bed, she would take one of the stones out and hold it in her hand. As she held it, it would glow brighter and brighter until it filled her room with a warm and magical light. Lucy would close her eyes and drift off to sleep, feeling like she was part of an enchanted world. In the morning, when she woke up, the stone would have vanished, and Lucy would start her day feeling happy and energized. This became Lucy's special bedtime routine, and she loved every minute of it.